Hey everybody, it is Sunday, and so we're going to start our first week this week where the state of Connecticut's going to go under a shelter-in-place order. That's going to happen tomorrow night, Monday night, starting 8 o'clock. But my office is a law firm, and it is considered legal services, and legal services are on the list of essential services. So I do have a few staff people. They're going to decide whether they're going to come in and for how long. And I will be in the office. I live very close. I could always walk to my office if I had to. And I will be available all day, every day this week and going forward. So keep in mind all court deadlines for foreclosure cases have been postponed for the most part. The bank's attorneys will be working, their legal services as well, and they, I imagine, are going to be moving some of the foreclosure cases forward. So if you were served with foreclosure and you see some motions being filed in your case, I'm available to answer questions because they're going to try to move the cases forward. And I said in a prior video, and if you haven't seen them, go back on the YouTube channel and my Facebook page, and you can watch my recent videos in the last few days describing what the banks are going to try to do. They're going to try to move the cases as close to the judgment line as possible. And then when the stay is lifted, when the court's open and the stay is lifted, every case is going to be ready to go. So I want to make sure that we're talking well in advance of that you're preparing, that you're talking to your mortgage company about options. And if you do maintain your income, if you are one of the lucky people who will continue to have a full-time job, keep all of your pay stubs, your bank statements, and be prepared to apply or continue to apply to modify your mortgage to stay in your house if you've fallen behind. Now, if you're trying to pay your mortgage through losing a job or losing some hours, losing any kind of household income, you should start contacting your mortgage company. However, they've asked that unless you are like desperate right now and can't pay that next payment this minute, that you hold off on calling a few days. First, I don't think the banks have yet to come up with their procedures. I don't think they have a script. I don't think they know what to say when people call. I don't think they have an application yet. It's just too soon. And not every bank may be offering this right away. So the word this morning on an NPR story was that Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and FHA mortgages are going to have programs where you need to show some kind of financial hardship. Any servicer that also does Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac servicing is going to also be under pressure to offer forbearance plans for mortgage payments, okay? You may not know that. You may not know that your servicer also does Fannie or Freddie. So first figure out if you have an FHA, a Fannie Mae, or a Freddie Mac backed loan. And chances are the large mortgage companies, the large banks are going to offer programs. The challenge will be the smaller local banks or credit unions, okay? Be patient with them. They will have a program in place, I'm pretty confident. Or there will be a way to work something out with your mortgage company, but document any reduction in income. Take the letter you might get from your employer saying that you might lose income or lose hours, or a layoff notice or a furlough notice or anything like that, okay? Hang on to that stuff. It's very important for purposes of proving you need a break on your mortgage. Okay, stick with me this week. Every day, maybe even more often if we get updates more often, I will be posting videos. You can always contact my office, like and subscribe to my Facebook page and my YouTube video channel, and you'll get more information as it comes out. Thanks so much, and please stay in touch as needed as things really heat up. Thanks.